No physical buttons? No problem. You'll first be prompted to select between private and online mode. By default, the menu and home buttons and 3 favorites lie on the bottom bar. You can customize the main menu screen by simply tapping, holding, and dragging any icon to your desired position. You can see your favorites by dragging down the top of the screen. You can change favorites by tapping and dragging any icon. You can also customize the home menu to your taste by tapping Home and then tapping on one of the sections to enter the edit mode. By tapping and holding a favorite, you can select which widget you'd like to replace it with. Tap, hold, and drag down to the bottom bar to lock it in. We recommend Auto Hold. We wish you pleasant driving with your infotainment, and we hope you're enjoying your new Škoda.
Škoda. Simply clever.